I'm gonna do this off the top of my head. Man 5? Oh, I'm a legend. Okay, we can pull up section 5 of the password, and this is on Linux, this describes file formats and conversions. So this is super useful because this tells us what the etc password file actually looks like. So you can see it contains one line for each user account with 7 fields delimited by colons. These fields are name, optional encrypted password. You usually won't find a password here. You'll find that in the etc shadow file instead, which will have more lockdown permissions on it. The numerical ID, the numerical group ID, the username or comment field. So this is just like a user specified field. The home directory and an optional user command interpreter. So this would be like their shell. So with that knowledge, knowing all the fields we have, we can cat etc password, and we can see all this stuff here, and then we could pipe that to cut, of course, delimit it on colons, and grab the first field, and there we go. There are all the users on here. Of course, if you didn't want to use cat for whatever reason, cut also takes the name of the file. You could put etc password here, and then you cut out a pipe, you cut out a subshell, you cut out the usage of cat. For this example where I'm teaching you, I like to put it at the beginning because then I can make quick modifications here without having to backspace over the entire file. So if I were to put this in a script, I'd probably approach this way differently, but I wouldn't be doing cat pipe into something if I were doing it in the script.